How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays I showcase a particular single section home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the new Pulse. I am back again with a all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, and yes, I am back with a great and new model by the name of the new Pulse. For those of you that have been asking and saying, Mr. Tiny, we love the exterior aesthetic of the 399 square foot park models, but we want something just a tad bit larger, but keeping that same look. Don't let that look get away from us. This is what we're wanting. Can you do it? Won't he do it? Yes, I can, and I've done so today with the new Pulse. This home, as you see it today, is going to be a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, right around 700 square feet. It is 14 wide by 56 feet long, and that's including the 6-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $105K. $105K, and you'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And you'll see the curb appeal that you're looking for is right here on this home, because you're going to have the built-in clear story windows. You're going to have the picture windows, the vaulted ceilings, the metal roof with that 30-year warranty, the board and batt siding going around the home with a 30-year warranty as well. The 6-foot front porch is going to have the composite Trex decking. Look at the crow's foot and the gable giving you that curb appeal as you pull up to the home. So pull on up to this front porch so you'll see how much space you have to operate with this cottage look. As soon as you come up onto the porch, you'll notice the open and airy feel that you get to the porch. We've given you black metal railing going around the home. You have a window there up front. You're also going to be pre-wired and braced for a ceiling fan there up top. We have your coach light here out front, and of course we kept that pattern going around with the board and batt up top, and we have the lapped blue siding down low, and I think that pairs together lovely with the blinds and glass front door, which leads right into the interior. So you guys follow me inside, and you'll see here, as soon as you come into the home, this is what you're looking for. You walk right in, and it is a lap of luxury. A lap of luxury is what you're going to get right here in the new Pulse. Again, with only being around 700 square feet, some of you would think that this is going to be a comprised floor plan. No, no, no. You can do it big while still going tiny, and you're doing it right here in the new Pulse. As soon as you will see here in the living area, you're going to get all of these picture windows bringing in the natural light. You're going to have the 3 transoms up top as well. You have enough space here in the living area for full-size furniture. That's going to be a key factor here in this size of home compared to the 399 square foot park models you may be interested in. You're going to have a little bit more space for you to maneuver, for you to have for your decor. See, we've got a large rug down in this model. Again, 2 small love seats that you get here on each side, and you have enough space to accommodate. We have, of course, the window right up front. We have the 3-blade ceiling fan there, centered. Again, we're going to have the vaulted ceilings going from front to back of the home. So that is going to make this feel so much more open and airy. But what I love about the new Pulse are the new features that we have right here, starting with this built-in LED fireplace. And notice, yes, we did. Right here with the tile surrounding this LED fireplace, we went ahead and went with the blue tile in a vertical stacked pattern. Again, normally we would lay it horizontal. We went ahead and went all the way up right here with this around your fireplace. And you're going to have the crystals in your fireplace as well, because it's elegant, it's luxury, and you're getting all of that right here in the new Pulse. Again, right here above this fireplace, you're going to have pre-wired and braced for a TV jack and outlet. You're going to also have your 3 transoms up top. So again, as you see here, kind of nestled in the trees that you'll see here in the view, you're able to do that on your property as well. What I love about this floor plan is the fact of the open concept from living area to the kitchen, separated by this elevated bar area. You'll see you have stools down below. So again, if you want to get a quick bite, eat you a nice bowl of kicks, a nice bowl of raisin bran for you people out there. You got some of that right here, and you've got the area to do it right here on this bar area. But what I love is the fact that in the new parts, you got that, and you have a space that you can even accommodate a dining table. Again, you can put that in here, have enough space to do so. You have a window here so you can gaze out onto your property while eating your meals. You'll see as it wraps around here into the kitchen, you're going to have more countertop space than you would know what to do with in just around 700 square feet. Again, we are utilizing this space to the T, to the max is what we like to do here in the new parts. You'll have the dishwasher down below, of course, in black to match your black bar pools going around. Went ahead and went with the detachable sprayer here with the spring faucet. We have the 2 basin sink with the window up above. So as you are cleaning up, washing your hands, doing your dishes, you can gaze out onto your property also. And we continued with this beautiful blue backsplash in the vertical pattern. Again, I think it just makes this area seem larger, seem taller, and it pairs perfectly with these countertops in the neutral color palette. You will have also a smooth top electric oven here, microwave up top. Look how many cabinets you have, and don't forget about the adjustable shelving you're going to get in this home also. And then all of this prep space, all of this cabinet space, your 4-drawer bank there, and then of course you're getting the side-by-side fridge, ice in the door, additional cabinetry up top, and we'll keep it moving right here because again, you're downsizing. You don't need tons of space for everything. You just need space for the things that you really want. And right here in this bedroom that you're going to get, again, this is a 2-bedroom. So again, when you're downsizing to this square footage, plenty of you may just simply be using this as an office space, as a storage space, as a hobby room, or a small room for when them little grandkids come to visit Gigi and Papa, Mimi and Papa, Mimi and Pee. You got the area in here for them to enjoy and for them to have a nice night. Also, you have the window there off of the bedroom. So that way, again, bringing in some natural light. You have your closet here that is opening up. So that way you have additional storage space as well. Notice, if you haven't already, we have mini split AC and heat systems going throughout this model. That is going to be very similar to what you see in our 399 square foot models. So since you love those so much and you just want to go a tad bit bigger, we want to keep some of those same features for you. So we've given you one in the living area, one in this bedroom, and you'll get another in your primary. But right here centered, you're going to have a stackable washer and dryer area. We've got your cubbies up top so you can put your additional fabric softeners and your detergents. Right here off the side, we have your rear door, so that way you can come onto the rear of the property, the side of the property, come right in, and if you need to get cleaned up, you can go right here into the bathroom where you'll see you're going to have the additional cabinetry space down below, tons of countertop there for you to brush your teeth, shave, do whatever you need to do, and then you have the mirror there that's going to be trimmed in white there for you as well, just to kind of lighten up this area. You're going to have the shower, again, a full walk-in shower that is going to have the rain shower head up above, additional transom there for you. You have the vintage lace tile that is going to be in a horizontal pattern there, and then we'll take it back to the primary bedroom right here where you'll see this is another key feature of going up the tad bit larger into something like this, something like the new parts around 700 square feet. You're going to get the larger bedroom where you can easily fit a king size bed. You can put a couple nightstands. You can even put a sitting chair in here if you would like. Again, I told you about the mini split. We've got that blowing nice and cold. You see Mr. Tiny's feeling good today. I'm liking this. So we got that going on there. And again, you ask about how quiet they are. Quiet mouse, you see, you have that there. It's energy efficient, super quiet. And then right here, we have the large and in charge barn door for you. And behind that, you'll see you have the additional space to hang and store all of your clothing items. And then even right here, just because we like to finish things out properly, we've given you your electrical panel box that's going to be covered by the cabinet painted to match. Also, because you have gone with this model that's a little bit larger, the electrical service on this will be 200 amp electric for those of you that care. I know some of the husbands at home are already asking the wives, what's the electric? What's the electric? 200 amps. Mr. Tiny told you. So you got that in there. Now follow me back through. You'll see you got the side door, stackable area. You have the guest bedroom, and then we'll make it right back here to the front. And you see how this opens up, guys. Imagine this being on a property. Imagine this being on a lake property, some acreage, anywhere you would like. Even for those of you that are downsizing, selling that main home. Again, you're selling that, getting rid of that mortgage, or it's paid off and you just simply want to downsize. You spend time in 2 or 3 rooms and your kids have property. Hey, throw this out back. You got the mother-in-law cottage. You got the father-in-law cottage. This is enough space for you to do that and have your sense of privacy and independence while downsizing. And you don't have much to clean at all with being right around 700 square feet. So again, I hope that you're enjoying the new pots. I hope that this has been a great video tour for you. Just to recap, this model, as I said, is coming in at 14 feet wide. It's going to be right at 56 feet long. That's including the 6-foot front porch, and it's on sale today for $105K, $105,000, ladies and gentlemen, and you'll have a home to live in that is quality, half-hit sheetrock, 2x4s behind that, double thermal pane windows. The list goes on, ladies and gentlemen. So you're buying a quality product because you purchased from Mr. Tiny and you purchased from Recreational Resort Cottages. So if you enjoyed this video tour today, please hit that thumbs up button, hit that like button, and let me know. Show me some love and hit that today. Also, leave a comment. Let me know if you enjoyed this floor plan by the name of the new pots, coming in at 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. You let me know that. Let me know what your favorite feature was as well. And hit that subscribe button while you're at it. If you're subscribed like you should be, you're part of the family. If you haven't already, again, you don't want to be late to the show. And right here, you're seeing where it's at, and we want you to see it each and every week. So hit that subscribe button. And last but not least, if you want to contact me directly, you can run on over to Instagram right now at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the new pots as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. Until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.